In Japan, miso soup is enjoyed at breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Once you make it properly from scratch, you'll understand why. Kombu from the sea, shiitake from the land, and filtered water. This is the foundation of a dashi stock, the secret flavor to a Japanese cuisine. Here's everything you need to serve 2 to 4 bowls. Add kombu and shiitake to filtered water and bring to a gentle boil. If you have time, soak them overnight in the fridge. The flavor's even better. Remove kombu and shiitake. Discard the kombu, then slice the shiitake thinly, removing the stem. Add wakame, tofu, shiitake, and spring onion, and simmer gently for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat before adding the miso. This is important as it protects the live cultures in the miso. Dissolve 2 to 3 tablespoons of miso, then stir it back into the pot. Ladle into bowls and serve straight away. Fresh miso soup, made in your kitchen.
Or there's an easier option. Just add hot water to our instant miso sachet, made by our 5th generation producer in Japan. Quick, simple, and less washing up.
The Clearspring Family Kitchen with Lisa.